How to hide or unhide notifications details on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Notifications. This section allows you to manage how, when, and where you receive alerts from your apps. Under the Display As section, you can choose how your notifications appear, selecting from Count, Stack, or List to change the visual layout on your lock screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Show Previews. Here, you have three options to choose from: Always, When Unlocked, or Never. To hide the notification details from your lock screen, simply select Never. To unhide the details, you can select When Unlocked. This will show previews only after your iPhone has been unlocked. Following these steps, you can easily hide or unhide notification details on an iPhone.